Hello, friend. Welcome to the Sync with Tech. Today we are going to discuss the roadmap or the study resources which you will require for clearing the DP-600. That is the Microsoft Fabric. Uh, I'm going to explain like what roadmap I have followed and what resources I have used. I have recommended same resources for you also. So if you follow this roadmap or we can say the study resources, you will definitely clear your exam. So, without delaying, let's get started. So, coming to the first slide. So, what I want to explain you like whenever you will prepare for any of the exam, not for the DP-600, like you are preparing for the PL-300, if you are preparing for the Tableau Desktop Specialist, the first thing is to practice. So for doing the practice, we will need the environment. But the main hindrance or the blocker for us for preparing the DP-600 is the environment. Most of us are doing the job or preparing for the or making prepare ourselves for the job. So we have the personal emails, but we don't have the business emails. And if we have the business emails, we can't use it to create the Fabric trial account. So this blocker, I will try to help you to overcome this blocker. I will explain how you can create your trial account and by using that like you can do your practice. I will explain you in the next slide like how can you create your trial account. Now focusing on the study resources, the first study resource, the base study resource I can say is the Microsoft Fabric modules. So uh, not for all the exams, but for the DP-600, Microsoft has done a great job. He has provided at like the 30 modules, and if you prepared all these 30 modules in thorough or in detail, you will definitely clear your exam. So uh, in the roadmap, what I have targeted, like if you are a working guy and if you target at least a 7 to 8 modules each day, it will require around 5 to 6 days to complete all the modules. The modules has explained each and every topic. I guess you have gone through the syllabus. I am not going to explain the syllabus. Like it is readily available on the Microsoft account. So please download the syllabus and go through the topics and subtopics for the examination. Once that is completed, come to this Microsoft Fabric module and complete all 30 modules with the practice hands-on lab as well as the test provided at the end of each module. The test is the simple. It's around only 3 to 4 questions at the end of each module. And if you complete all the test and if you prepare your notes very well, you will definitely clear your exam. So this is the first step. Go through the Microsoft Fabric module. Second step is to practice hands-on lab. So this is already covered in the Microsoft Fabric modules, all the labs. But if in case if you miss any of the lab, I have provided the link here by which you can complete all these 26 exercises, or it is a consolidated page. Let me show you that also. So for this, yeah, I will show you. Yeah, so this is the page for the modules. Like it has, like Microsoft has given the 4 days duration to complete all these 30 modules. So I have provided the link. You can directly go here and complete all of these modules. Once this is done, then the next step is to Microsoft Fabric exercises. So as I explained, there are total 26 exercises. You need to complete all this hands-on lab and in your trial account. So these are the two study resources which I have used. The next resources I can say is the will course. Like I will recommend you to go through the YouTube course provided by the Will. Why I'm recommending, like, because Will has explained it like the all the topics and the subtopics very well. Like he has created some scenarios like you are the CEO of the company and one of the client comes to you and he has the requirement to like the shift from the on premises to the Microsoft Fabric. So by doing the scenario, like as you are involved in that scenario, you will learn it fast, all the topics and subtopics. So I have recommending this course also. and I'm also providing the link here by which you can complete this course of YouTube from this link. Next, the important step, not for the DP-600, for every examination. There is a one documentation guide provided by each exam provider, and you need to go through all this documentation thoroughly. If you not go through the documentation thoroughly, you will definitely miss the some of the questions through the exam. So I have provided you the link, and the good news is that the link which I have provided have the detailed like subtopics links, I can say. Like for example, this is the first topic, like plan, implement, and manage a solution for data analytics, and it has some subtopics. So for example, there are the first four subtopics in the same topic. You need to just click on this first, learn, and you will be redirected to the Microsoft documentation page, and from there you can study that subtopic and make your notes. So this is the recommended thing which you need to follow for the clearing the examination. Now you have studied well, you have your notes. Now the time is for the practice. So fun practice you can take is directly from the Microsoft. Microsoft, they have provided around 60 questions, and you can go through that practice test. But I will recommend you to go to the exam topic. There is one website called Exam Topics. They have provided free dumps there. You can purchase their dumps, or at least you can create your account and give some trial test, I can say. So what, by giving that, it will explain you how the questions are there in the examination first thing, and you will definitely get some of the questions from that exam topics website. So I will recommend to go through the exam topics, and also you can also purchase some Udemy course. They are also available right now, so you can purchase that also to practice your whatever you have learned, to practice that. Next, I want to explain is the trial account. So as I said you previously, like you will need a establish a trial account. So you just need your personal email ID. Once you have your personal email ID, just create the set up an Azure account, and then the second step is to set up a new user to get business email account, the Entra ID. And once you have your business email account, just go to the Fabric website and set up your Fabric trial account. The limitation here is it is free just for the 60 days, and that's enough for your practice to clear this examination. So this is the four steps by which you can create your free Fabric trial account, and you can do your hands-on lab practice here on the trial account. Next, I want to explain how many days you will require to clear this examination. So I have explained like Microsoft Fabric modules. So there are around 30 modules, and if you targeted around 7 to 8 modules each day, it will just require to complete you the 5 days. Then we have the practice hands-on lab. If you have already completed it and the module, it will require only 1 to 2 days to go through all of the practice hands-on lab again. So it will require 3 to 4 days to complete the practice hands-on lab. Then, as I recommended one course on the YouTube, that is by the Will. It has around 14 chapters. So if you target 3 to 4 chapters, it will take you almost 3 days to complete that course. Then documentation guide, if you targeted 7 to 8 topics in a day, it will just take you to 4 days to complete the documentation guide thoroughly. Then the practice test, as I explained, you can go to the exam topics. You can take any of the course from the Udemy to do your practice, and 2 days are sufficient for doing that. Then you have the revision day. I just keep the buffer time of the 2 days for the revision, where you can revise your notes, your practice, and all that things, whichever you have learned in so far 20 days. So in around 21 days, you are well prepared for giving the examination. So, and it is not recommended just you need to follow these 21 days only. As you are working, it may be go beyond the 21 days, or maybe you can complete this before the 21 days also. So just keep your pace and complete this all the study resources. And once that is done, go for the examination, and go well prepared with the notes and with the practice test, and definitely you will clear your exam. I have followed same roadmap and I have cleared my exam with 812 marks. So I guess you will also definitely complete this certification. So best of luck for your examination. And once you clear the exam, please do the comment and tell me like how was the experience and if it helps you to clear the exam or not. And one more thing, guys, if you want some practice test to solve, I have one PDF which I have referred, and uh, I guess like it covered most of the questions in the examination. So it will definitely help you to clear the exam. I will rather say like you will definitely clear the exam by using that PDF. So if you want that PDF, just message me in the comment box with your email ID. I will revert back to you with on your email. So that's all, guys. Thank you for listening this video, and thank you for listening this video to the end. And if you want to some more updates on the Microsoft Fabric or any other BI tool, please do subscribe my channel and please like hit the button. So thank you, guys, and best of luck for your examination. Thank you.